Quantum computers are a new and entirely different kind of computers which are based on quantum mechanics, the behavior of quantum particles which are most fundamental and elementary part that make up the universe. Conventional computers work through transistor. A transistor can be in two different states, on and off, 1 or 0. These numbers are known as binary digits or bits. These transistors react from the input which goes through all the logic gates until the final result is displayed on the screen. Quantum computers work by taking the properties of quantum mechanics and applying them to computers. Instead of using transistors to compute data, quantum computers use quantum objects, special kind of transistors known as quantum binary digit or qubits. Quantum computing can use different fundamental particles with only restriction that they behave in the laws of quantum mechanics. This is why quantum computers are different from classical computers as they use special and strange properties of quantum particles. One of the basic properties which they use is superposition. It is a very odd phenomena in quantum world in which an object can be in more than two states at once. For example, if we flipped a coin, there are two possible outcomes, head or tail. But before the coin lands, we don't know it would be in which state. So simply in quantum world, it would be in both multiple state or in superposition. One of the basic particles which can be used as a qubit is an electron. The electron has their spin which describes their rotation along magnetic field. Just like a compass which points north, but if rotated exactly 180 degrees, it stays the same. Similarly, electron also stays in two states, spin down along magnetic field and spin up against magnetic field. And it can be used as a qubit because it can be in superposition, that is both up and down states at the same time with different probability which cannot be determined since observation of quantum particles changes them. The real purpose in quantum computers comes in the increase of computing powers. In a regular bit we have two possible states. With two regular bits we have four possible states. The computer outputs one of those variants. When we have two qubits, we have the same four states, but with superposition, each qubit can be a combination of 0 and 1 state. In classical computer, 2 bit contains 2 bit of information, but 2 qubits can contain 4 bits of information. When we have more qubits, it will output 2 to the power number of qubits of information. This means even a simple quantum computer is way much faster than today's supercomputers. Quantum computing is taking all microscopic world and taking it to control our macroscopic world. This microscopic world is hard to control and very unpredictable, but if we harness their power, the quantum computers will truly change the future.